So, you want to live full-time in an RV, but you don't want a big fifth wheel? Well, today, I've got something that might surprise you. This is a travel trailer that feels like a fifth wheel, and trust me, it's bigger than you expect. Today we're checking out the 2026 Jayco Eagle 294 spacious, and not only is it super spacious inside, it's also heavily discounted right now. We'll walk you through the outside, the inside, and at the end, I'll give you what I love and what I don't. Let's get started. Starting on the outside, the first thing you'll notice is that bold fiberglass front cap. It gives this travel trailer a very premium, almost fifth wheel look. Up front, you've got a power tongue jack, propane tanks, and a diamond plate rock guard for protection while towing. Now check this out, the pass-through storage. This is huge. Honestly, this feels more like something you'd find in a fifth wheel, not a traditional travel trailer. You also get electric stabilizing jacks, a large power awning with LED lighting, and solid entry steps. The trailer sits on heavy-duty all-steel radial tires with upgraded suspension, giving you better stability on the road. Moving toward the back, you've got an outdoor shower, grill hookup, rear ladder, and backup camera prep. And up on the roof, you'll find dual AC units, a max air fan, solar panel, and a fully walkable roof. This thing is built for serious travel. Stepping inside, this is where things get interesting. This does not feel like a typical travel trailer. It's wide, open, and extremely bright thanks to all the windows. Right away, you'll see the kitchen, living area, and dining space all flowing together, creating a very residential feel. The living area is designed for comfort. You've got a large sofa that converts into a bed, along with theater seating directly across from the entertainment center. There's a big TV, fireplace, and plenty of overhead storage. And thanks to all the windows, this space feels bright, open, and inviting. Now this kitchen is where this RV really stands out. You've got a large residential-style island, solid surface countertops, a deep single-bowl sink, a 3-burner cooktop and oven. There's also a massive pantry and a full-size refrigerator. For a travel trailer, this kitchen feels incredibly premium, almost like a fifth wheel. The dining area offers both a booth dinette and plenty of space to move around comfortably. Large windows surround the space, bringing in natural light and making it feel even bigger. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious. You get a large shower with good headroom, a sink with storage, and a medicine cabinet. Overall, it feels practical and comfortable for everyday use. Up front, you've got a full bedroom setup. There's a king-size bed, wardrobe storage, and even prep for a washer and dryer. This is another area where it really feels like a fifth wheel, not a travel trailer. The brightness and large windows makes the space feel open and airy. The kitchen island rare and impressive in a travel trailer. The overall size and layout truly feels like a fifth wheel. It's very large and heavy, not ideal for smaller trucks. The toe kick design in the kitchen could be better. Limited awning coverage on one side. Overall, the 2026 Jayco Eagle 294 spacious is a unique travel trailer. It combines the space and feel of a fifth wheel with the towing style of a bumper pull. If you have the right truck and want something spacious without going full fifth wheel, this is definitely worth considering. If you guys enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.